Today we're unboxing and setting up the V380 Pro Wi-Fi CCTV camera, a smart and budget-friendly home security solution. Inside the box, you get the compact V380 Pro camera, a power adapter, USB cable, wall mount bracket, screws, and a user manual. The camera has a clean, modern design with a clear lens, built-in microphone, and speaker. Installation is very simple. You can place the camera on a table or mount it on the wall. Once powered on, the LED indicator starts blinking. Open the V380 Pro mobile app, tap Add Device, and connect the camera to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The setup completes in just a few seconds. You now get a clear live view, smooth pan and tilt movement, motion detection alerts, and two-way audio. The V380 Pro camera makes home security easy and affordable.